10-year disability and death insurance. Healthy pays premium P. Disabled receives $1,000 a year. Death pays $10,000. The only exits from healthy are disablement and death. Think of the reserve as a tank. Interest and premium flow in. Disability strain and mortality strain flow out. The net of those flows is the derivative of the reserve. Thiele's equation says the reserve derivative equals delta times the reserve, plus the premium rate, minus any continuous benefit, minus the expected strain on each transition. Delta here is 0.1. Part A. The three occupancy probabilities sum to 1, so the three state annuities sum to the 10-year certain annuity at delta 0.1, about 6.32121. Given A bar 00 equals 4.49 and A bar 02 equals 1.36, A bar 01 is 0.47121. Equivalence sets P times 4.49 equal to 1,000 times A bar 01 plus 10,000 times A bar 02. The net premium rate is 967. Show 970. At T equals 3, healthy reserve is 1,304.54 and disabled reserve is 7,530.09. Mu01 is 0.04 and Mu02 is 0.06. Thiele's derivative is plus 326.80 per year. The writer refunds 10 years of P star at T equals 10 if the life stays continuously healthy. The integrated exit force is 1.40, so 10-year continuous healthy survival is about 0.24660. That refund liability shrinks the premium annuity denominator. The revised premium P star is about 1,212. Minus the base 967, the return of premium surcharge is about 244.9.